Stop. Don't scroll past this, because what I'm about to tell you is the real AI news nobody else has broken yet. Leaked code in the latest ChatGPT update points to something never seen before. A hidden operator mode that could make your AI assistant actually do stuff for you. We're talking real clicks, drags, even running commands. Basically, ChatGPT is about to become your digital right hand. Imagine AI not just answering, but taking actions, booking appointments, sending emails, even controlling your apps, all on its own. Yesterday, July 3rd, 2025, is the day the world found out. The future of AI isn't chat, it's action, and you're getting it here first. We're breaking down the code leaks, what it means for your life, the AI race, and yes, how this changes everything. But before we go deeper, make sure you subscribe and tap the bell. This is the channel where the future breaks first. Let's get into the leak that could shake up the whole AI landscape. 1. What is the ChatGPT Operator leak? So what exactly dropped today that's making the entire AI community buzz? Early yesterday morning, July 3rd, 2025, Android beta testers uncovered lines of code inside the latest ChatGPT app that spell out a future far beyond just talking with AI. Buried among routine updates were repeated references to something called Operator, alongside words like click, drag, type, terminal feed, and API execution. That's not your everyday chatbot update. These are the commands you'd expect from something that doesn't just respond, but acts. Let's break it down. 1. Click and drag means simulating mouse events. Your AI could click buttons, drag files, interact with any app, just like you. 2. Type means it might write in forms, respond to messages, fill out online applications. 3. Terminal feed and API execution suggests something bigger. An AI that can run scripts, access system functions, and connect with other services at a deep level. Why does this matter? Because it's the first real evidence that OpenAI isn't just talking about AI agents. They're building them right now, under the hood. Developers online are already calling this the iPhone moment for AI, the leap from simple chatbots to full-fledged autonomous digital workers. We all imagined AI one day would do things for us, not just tell us what to do. Well, the first real step is here, and it's not science fiction anymore. Bleeping Computer broke the news, quickly followed by intense discussions on Reddit, X, Discord, and specialist forums. Major outlets picked up on it, but only a few understood the scale. This isn't a tweak. This is the beginning of a new paradigm. So what could Operator actually do? 2. From chatbot to super assistant. How Operator could change your everyday life. Let's paint a picture. Right now, your ChatGPT can answer questions, generate text, summarize articles, maybe help with coding if you paste the code in. But what if it could go way beyond that? Book your doctor's appointment, order dinner, organize your Google Drive, respond to emails, move money between your accounts, and manage your schedule, all while you're out for a walk? That's what Operator could mean. This is hands-free, brain-off productivity. Your AI learns your preferences and routines and handles the tedious stuff for you. Concrete examples. 1. Busy parent. Operator schedules dentist visits, manages permission slips, and texts reminders to your partner automatically. 2nd student. AI downloads lecture notes, summarizes readings, creates study schedules, and uploads assignments, all from a voice prompt. 3. Entrepreneur or business owner. ChatGPT drafts proposals, fills out online forms, sends calendar invites, even follows up with clients without you needing to monitor every step. 4. Remote worker. It logs into Zoom, takes meeting notes, fills out your timesheet, and files expense claims, all while you're focused on the actual work. And the best part? This isn't just vision board material. This is functionality buried in the latest beta code. This is what everyone, from busy parents to high-powered executives, has been waiting for. A digital sidekick that doesn't just answer, but acts. The digital world gets frictionless. Productivity explodes. Stress melts away. And for people with accessibility needs, this could be utterly transformative. Imagine AI taking action for those who can't always interact directly. But every revolution brings challenges, and even dangers. 3. Agent AI, the next great race. This leak isn't happening in a vacuum. The race for autonomous AI agents is the #1 obsession in Silicon Valley and beyond right now. Just in the last 6 months, Google rolled out Gemini with assistant mode. Meta's AI bots started offering shopping and travel suggestions on WhatsApp and Messenger. Elon Musk's XAI team teased Grok agents coming soon. China's DeepSeek is moving to embed agents in everyday business tools. But nobody has shown live code for a do-it-for-me agent until today's Operator leak. Why is this so important? Whoever nails safe, reliable, useful AI agents first will dominate the next decade of consumer tech, workplace automation, and even the smart home. The lines between phone, laptop, and AI assistant will blur. Imagine a future where you don't even touch a device. Just tell your AI what to do, and it handles everything. For big tech, it's not just about user experience. It's about trillions in market share, the fate of hundreds of startups, and the data wars to come. This is why today's leak is nuclear. It's proof that OpenAI is leading the race, and everyone else now has to catch up or risk being left in the dust. Startups and investors are scrambling. Every productivity, automation, or digital workplace app will have to pivot or partner with OpenAI or risk going extinct. The pace will only accelerate. Expect GPT-5 and other next-gen models to push agent features even further. Think persistent memory, proactive action, even negotiation with other bots. If you think ChatGPT is big now, imagine how big it'll be when it can literally run your digital life for you. This is why investors are calling it the third tech platform revolution. After the internet and mobile, now comes the agent era. But with great power comes even greater risk. 4. The dark side: security, privacy, and what could go wrong. It all sounds amazing, right up until something goes wrong. What could possibly go wrong with giving an AI the power to click, type, and execute commands on your behalf? Let's get brutally real. 1. Accidental clicks. Operator could misinterpret a prompt and delete your files, send the wrong email, or even buy things you never wanted. 2. Phishing and malware. If hackers figure out how to manipulate Operator through prompts or web content, they could trick your AI into sharing sensitive info or spreading malware. 3. Financial chaos. Imagine an AI making bank transfers or trading stocks. What if it gets the math wrong? The damage could be instant and huge. 4. Personal safety. Operator with smart home access could unlock doors, turn off alarms, or control devices. What if a bug or attack slips through? 5. Data leaks. Operator will need deep access to your digital life. If there's a breach, you might not just lose privacy, you could lose your whole digital identity. And let's not forget, bad actors could try to automate scams, spam, or even cyber attacks using these new AI superpowers. Regulators will be watching, so will hackers. How is OpenAI handling this? Early clues suggest Operator will come with permission layers. You must approve actions and maybe even set up "Are you sure?" checks for sensitive stuff. There will likely be activity logs, so you can rewind, review, and roll back what Operator did. Security researchers will stress test the system before public launch, but there's always a risk with new tech at this scale. Bottom line, this is the biggest leap forward, but also the moment where AI and user safety have to evolve at lightning speed. Would you trust ChatGPT to run parts of your digital life? Why or why not? What's your nightmare Operator scenario? Your opinion could shape the conversation. Comment below. Chapter 5, What Happens Next? Your new AI-powered life. So now that we know Operator's coming, what should you do next? How do you get ready to become one of the first people in the world with a real AI agent at your command? Watch for updates. Make sure your ChatGPT app is set to auto-update. Operator may start rolling out as a beta feature to select users in the coming weeks. Beta signups. Follow OpenAI's official channels, Discords, and newsletters for opportunities to join the first wave of testers. Beta users get access to new tools and direct feedback channels. Prepare your workflows. Start listing out digital tasks you'd love to automate. Organizing files, scheduling meetings, managing messages. You'll want to experiment as soon as Operator drops. Brush up on privacy settings. When you give AI new permissions, check your app, email, and device settings. Know what you're allowing and set boundaries. Stay educated. Follow this channel and other top AI sources for guides, safety tips, and best practices as new features roll out. Engage in the community. Early users and developers will shape how Operator works. Your bug report, suggestion, or warning could make this tool safer and smarter for everyone. Why does this matter? We're living through a technological revolution as big as the birth of the smartphone, the web, or electricity itself. The way we work, learn, play, and connect is about to get a major upgrade, and it's starting now. What's my prediction? In the next 18 months, Operator and similar agents will become as common as search bars. People who adapt early will multiply their productivity and maybe even their income, while everyone else tries to catch up. But only if you stay curious, stay cautious, and stay first. So subscribe and hit that bell right now if you haven't. This is where the future breaks first. Let's wrap this up with the real truth. Yesterday, July 3rd, 2025, is the day the AI revolution leveled up. With ChatGPT's Operator leak, you're witnessing the birth of a world where your AI doesn't just answer, it acts, it builds, it handles life for you. This is the next step to true digital freedom or a world-changing new risk. Some will use Operator to build wealth, create art, or gain time for family. Others will find new threats, new worries, and new battles over privacy and safety. But one thing's for sure, no one will look at chatbots the same way again. Are you ready for an AI that does more than talk? Will you be one of the first to unlock Operator's superpowers? Or will you be left behind? Drop your wildest Operator wish or worry in the comments. Best ones get featured next episode. And if you want to stay weeks ahead of everyone else in the AI game, hit subscribe and smash that bell. This is AI Horizon Daily, bringing you the biggest, fastest AI news before anyone else. Every day. See you in the next mind-blowing update. Stay curious, stay bold, and never stop asking, what will your AI do next?